Day 2, Art and Culture in Vienna. Morning in Vienna arrives softly and peacefully, with the city inviting us to dive into the world of art and culture. We start the day with a stop at Cafe Museum, a place that breathes history and creativity. Frequently visited by artists and intellectuals, this traditional cafe offers a unique atmosphere for our breakfast. A fresh croissant and a Viennese coffee warm us up, while the surroundings make us imagine the debates and exchanges of ideas that have taken place here over the years. Around us, the local conversations echo, giving us the sense of being part of this rich tradition. With our stomachs nourished and our minds awakened, we head to the museum's Quartier, one of the largest cultural complexes in the world. Here, art, architecture, and innovation meet in an impressive way. Our first stop is the Leopold Museum, which houses one of the most complete collections of Austrian art, including works by Gustav Klimt and Egon Schiele. The vibrant colors and bold shapes of these paintings envelop us, allowing us to explore the deep emotions these masters managed to express with their brushstrokes. Klimt, with his unique style, transports us to a world of gold and beauty, while Schiele, with his distorted and expressive forms, makes us reflect on the complexity of the human condition. After absorbing the energy of these masterpieces, we head to the Museum of Modern Art, MUMUK, where contemporary art challenges us to see the world with fresh eyes. The innovative installations and exhibits provoke thought and admiration. Each piece of art is a window into different perspectives, and we feel immersed in a global conversation that explores the boundaries of creativity. By noon, it's time to take a break for lunch. We head to one of the restaurants in the museum's Quartier area, where the modern and trendy atmosphere perfectly complements the light and contemporary dishes. Viennese cuisine blends with modern touches, creating delicious and innovative plates that are a true feast for the senses. The afternoon stretches before us, and our next stop is the Belvedere Palace, one of the most beautiful Baroque landmarks in Vienna. As we enter its gardens, we are immediately captivated by the symmetry and beauty of the landscape, with its carefully planned paths and fountains that shine under the sun. As we walk through the gardens, we arrive at the palace, where we find one of Gustav Klimt's most famous works, The Kiss. The painting captivates us with its combination of sensuality, light, and golden texture, leaving us fascinated by how Klimt captures the intensity of love. As the day turns into evening, the music of Vienna begins to take over the atmosphere. On one of the most prestigious stages in the city, the Musikverein or the Konzerthaus, we attend a classical music concert. The perfect acoustics of these venues, combined with compositions by masters like Beethoven, Mozart, or Strauss, create a magical and immersive experience. Every note seems to resonate with the very soul of the city, and for a few moments, we are transported to a world where music is the only language that matters. After the concert, our night continues in a cozy restaurant near Vienna's historic center. The intimate ambience and authentic dishes invite us to relax and reflect on the day. We savor a final meal, with a comforting goulash or a portion of Apfelstrudel, as the city's lights illuminate the empty, peaceful streets. And so ends our second day in Vienna, filled with art, culture, and music. As we walk through the quiet streets, with the soft sounds of the night, we feel immersed in a city where beauty never fails to surprise us.